Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are well, actually no, it's not today. Last night on a very last minute mission that I went on. I went to pick up some doors about 5 hours away, and it turned out to be a really interesting night. I got to meet Adam, who did the gender reveal burnout. That is gender reveal burnout that is actually very popular. It's probably like in the hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views by now. And on the way there, it's just slush all over the road, and on the way back, the roads were clear. But on the way back, on one of the back roads, some guy in a Mustang crashed. Mustang's doing Mustang things, you know. And yeah, it's kind of like a shitty situation because they pretty much. It seems like they just ditched the car because they didn't pick up any of the pieces of the car out of the road or whatever. And I just so happened to run over their bumper support. Didn't do any damage to the car, so it was good. But then I called 911 to report the accident, and they gave me a phone number that had office hours. What good was that? Well, I just realized that I'm running out of daylight, so I'm going to record the intro to this video, which is going to be a short one. But I found a set of doors for my car, and I'm driving 5 hours to go pick them up. So, yeah, this is the kind of weather that I'm dealing with. And I'm hoping on the way back I do not run into all that traffic. Talking to myself for a minute. So finally made it here. I am at Adam's place. He was the one that had the doors. The doors were right there. Now they are in the van. You can't see the van because it's too dark. And believe it or not, this is such a small world because he is the one that did the gender reveal video, which you saw at the beginning of the video. And yeah, I don't even know what to say. Beautiful car.
Needs a bumper filler. I did the spool for one last year.
I did the rear one. I still gotta do the front.
I did the rear. I gotta do the front.
Oh, that is beautiful. You have the Hydro Boost too. You have the 83 because I think I have the same one.
That's the best way to go.
It is. Actually, I made a video about it where I tell people it's like 300 and change,
yeah.
And you can probably.
I bought all my stuff from Rock Auto.
I bought mine from Advance because it had that 30% off.
Okay.
And oh man, we even have the same valve covers. Yeah. But
That was a squirrel moment. I'm sorry. I bought it from Advance Auto because they had that 30% off, and then I also had a hookup. So, okay. Yeah, like seriously, such a small world.
Yep.
I might follow your steps on when I have my next one.
Yeah. Everybody's like, "Wow, it's the best, gender reveal ever," you know.
I gotta tell you, it's louder than mine.
Is it?
It is. Because, yeah, mine is not as rumbly. That sounds really good.
It does. I love how it sounds.
That is crazy.
They run a little wrench. I guess because the battery's probably low.
Man. That does sound really good, though. 3-inch dual exhaust. Wow. Like I said, I am amazed. It's such a small world. I don't know if you can see them back there, but there's a set of doors. Adam really hooked it up. Adam, I cannot thank you enough. And now for my really long drive. So that'll be all for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe and share this with anybody that may find it useful. Somebody f***ed up. Well, looks like he bounced off of that guardrail over there. Yeah. You can't see any of that though. Chunk of car. The guardrail that goes all the way over there is over there.